I think there are a lot of people out there are familiar with robotic vacuums, but the one problem is they don't really work well. One company has been absent in this game, and that has to be Dyson, until today. And to learn more about the release of their new product, the Dyson 360i, I have the lead robotics engineer from Dyson, the man who was instrumental in making it, Mike Aldred. Thanks for joining us.
No problem at all.
I understand this took 18 years to develop this robotic vacuum here you have in your hand.
Yeah, so basically for us, it's all about the vacuuming. So we wanted to make sure the product was right, and at Dyson we'll never produce a product until it's actually ready for the market.
That's something Dyson is known for, is to do a lot of R&D and research, and to not be the first to market, but the best to market.
So this was 56 million Canadian dollars. So there's a lot of investment going into this product.
And I understand about 100,000 hours went into building this.
Yeah, and it feels like quite a lot of it was mine as well. But for us, it's all about getting the key technologies right. So we've taken everything from our full-size vacuum cleaners and condensed them down into this product. So it's a vacuum cleaner first, and then the robotics was built around that.
You know, there are a lot of different robotic vacuums on the market. What makes this different from all? Because I know that you guys are known to finding the weaknesses in other products and your competitors, and then re-engineering it to solve those problems.
So we started off with the problem, and the problem is that nothing else vacuumed.
Yeah.
So for us, you start with a vacuum cleaner, and as long as it actually cleans, then we're genuinely going to be solving a problem the customer has, and that means that they'll buy the product. So for us, it's about cleaning, and it's about saving our customers time.
Yeah.
So basically, with the 360i, you get twice the suction of any other product. And what that means is suction equates to cleaning. You need really great suction, so we've got technology in there that's specific to Dyson and patented. That means you will only find that on this product.
And an interesting thing, you know, it's called the Dyson 360i. So you have a camera right on the top. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so we realized very soon that vision is a fantastic way to understand your world. And if you can understand the environment around you, you can perform really intelligent functions.
And it's not only about the vision. You know, we talk a lot about the connected home on our show. And you guys have an app that works in conjunction with this vacuum. What does the app do?
So we just went for the simple things: start, stop, pause, some scheduling, having all of the product manual on the app ready at your fingertips when you need it, and perhaps most importantly, the product gives you a map at the end so you can be confident that it's done a really good, thorough clean.
And one of the coolest features that I've learned today about this is that you could remotely turn it on and off. So you could be essentially anywhere in the world, provided that you have Wi-Fi, and this has been set up to your home Wi-Fi network, you can stop and start it, and then see the route that it did, all from somewhere else.
Absolutely. So we could use this product anywhere in the world, and if you schedule it, it can actually make sure your home's clean by the time you get back.
But the question is, you know, of course it's going to have a battery in it, and you can have remote control on it. How is everything powered, and how does it get its power if you're, say, somewhere else?
Yeah, so you basically just leave it on the dock. So when it's on the dock, it's quite happily charging itself. It's ready to go whenever you need. It will run around for sort of 40 minutes, and then when it starts running low on battery, because it's intelligent, because it's got maps inside and knows where it is, it will quite happily come back, recharge, and then go on and carry on where it left off. And it can keep on doing that again and again and again. So it's really clever because it manages its own power source.
And typically, how long can it last fully charged if it's working in a large house? How long would that charge go for?
So you would run for 40 minutes, and then actually when it's in the middle of a clean, it would charge for about an hour and a half.
And you got, like, this is interesting because a lot of people are familiar with tank tracks because its ability to go over different types of terrain. What's this thing here in the back, though?
So this one is actually quite clever. So as it goes over a step, this just gives it a little nudge to help it get it over the step and carry on cleaning. What's really key there is it means that the vacuum system gets in contact with the floor as quickly as possible, so we get back on with cleaning as quickly as possible.
So if you were in the market for a robotic vacuum, but you didn't want to get it because you knew it was just a novelty item and it didn't actually clean, fear not, we finally have the product. It's from here, it's from Dyson, and it's called the 360i. It's not a robot, it's a vacuum that just happens to also be robotic because of this man right here. Mike, thanks so much.
Thank you very much.